Yes, this is our new Thrane and Thrane Aviator Wi-Fi VoIP handset. I think the first thing that you will notice about it, it's a very stylish handset. Certainly stands out among the other handsets that are out in the market today, and it's certainly in line with some of the newer, more sleek interiors of newer aircraft. So we're very proud of this handset. It's a Wi-Fi and VoIP handset in that it's is designed to work with our Aviator line of SATCOM products. These are Swift broadband-based systems. Primarily, the Wi-Fi allows you to connect to our SBU. You can have up to 12 Wi-Fi devices connected to our internal wireless LAN. The LAN will allow you to access the Swift broadband voice, the AMB2 voice, which is a 3G standard voice, so it's very much in line with the quality of a phone call that you'd get on a standard cell phone today. So it's very good, and it's $1.45 a minute, so it's very economical compared to, say, Aero H calls that people are used to. Our Aero SB Lite product was our first single-channel Swift broadband system. We ended up developing 2 other systems along with that, and then with that we went ahead and changed our branding, and now we have a whole Aviator line of single-channel Swift broadband products, and this is designed to work with all 4 of those systems. I think today, with the way that iPhones and Blackberries have been more prevalent, I think people are looking for something that's a lot more mobile, especially for somebody in a large cabin aircraft, for instance, that might be in multiple cabins, or it's also a great handset for up in the cockpit as well. So it's very versatile. Along with the Wi-Fi access point that allows you to access the Swift broadband voice with our new handset, of course, you have access to all the Swift broadband data. You can access your Blackberries, your Wi-Fi's, any wireless device to access the internet along directly through our wireless LAN.
Oh, I see. So the key would be that a passenger would be able to access all of that, but if they want a crystal clear SATCOM-based telephone,
yes,
this is where it's at.
Absolutely.
Okay,
absolutely.
and you have a small amount of lithium battery. Yeah,
that's one of the great things. Part of the process, you know, this will be a FAA PMA product. One of the 2 major things that they look at when they PMA the product is flammability. The material that's used is meet the flammability standards, and also the FAA looks very, very stringently at the use of lithium ion because of an explosive quality that it has. The reason why it's so good to use lithium ion is because you have extremely long standby time when charging it, and also talk time. So it was very important for us to maintain the lithium ion. Fortunately, because we have such an efficient handset, we were able to use enough lithium ion that's underneath what their requirement is, and we were able to keep the lithium ion battery technology. So what that ends up translating into is 30 hours of standby time on a fully charged handset and 6 hours of continuous talk time. So I think that definitely is a market leader when it comes to talk time and standby time because of that. So everybody knows that aircraft interiors can be quite noisy, especially when some of the smaller aircraft that don't have as much insulation. We've taken great pains to make sure that we have the best-in-class noise canceling for the handset. So you may have a great AMB2 voice connection, but if you can't hear it, it doesn't really make much difference. One of the things that we've done is we've brought a sound cone with us to the booth so that people can actually try the phone out, make a phone call, and just see how good the noise canceling is. Let me just show you a couple interesting features of the handset itself. Again, the handset is designed to be very user-friendly. In fact, you'll find a lot of the features that are in most high-end handsets today, a BlackBerry or a iPhone. We have a full color display. It's a graphical user interface that's very similar to what you see today on, say, a laptop. It has soft keys, so it's easy to navigate through the menus. One of my favorite features also is if you're operating in night operations and you've got the cabin lights down, we have a stealth mode or a night mode where it works. I'm not sure if you can see this all the way or not, but I'll try this. So you can actually operate in a night mode, so you don't have a very bright screen when you're operating at night. It has a full contact database, so you can load this up just like your contacts. You can actually connect it to a laptop and download all of your contacts into an address book into the handset as well. It also has a a charging cradle that will also be FAA, PMA'd, and burn tested. So even on those extremely long leg flights, even if you go beyond the 6 hours of talk time, you'll be able to charge these right there in the aircraft as well. It even has an alarm that'll alert you if you're walking off the airplane and somebody took it with you. So we've tried to think about just about everything.